there guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, which you probably are. Anyways, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and let's get to this video. Okay, so last week I've ordered something off of Amazon, and today it finally arrived at my door. If you clicked on this video and read the title, then you probably already know what I ordered, but let's just pretend you don't. So, since I've always wanted to do an unboxing video, kinda, I guess I'm gonna do it today. And this is the package we're gonna be unboxing. I hope you're as excited as I am. And now, let's get straight to it. Okay, I guess it's about time we open this mystery box and find out what's inside. So, as you can see, the brand is Neewer, and I have already ordered a few things off of Amazon from their brand, and I really recommend them. I've never been let down by this brand, and yeah, they make cheap camera gear and studio lights and microphones, and they make a lot of things that are actually high quality and cheap, and I do really recommend them. So, enough with that, let's open it up. Okay, so if we take a look inside of this box, the first thing we see is this little instruction manual and this little VIP card. I don't really know what it is, but we'll find out, I guess. And here comes the mystery. It is a microphone. Exactly, it's the CM14 microphone. It's a microphone that's meant to be mounted on top of your camera in the hot shoe mount. So it's got this little support, and it's got this really nice screw to screw it onto your hot shoe mount. It's also got a 1/4 an inch, I guess that's the size, tripod mount on the bottom, which will come in really handy. Then we have the microphone cover, the foam cover. And finally, okay, this is pretty hard to take out actually. I don't know why they put it like this, but here is the microphone. And yeah, I'm seeing this for the first time too, because I haven't opened this box yet. So we're seeing it together. And yeah, so the build quality of everything actually feels pretty nice. I mean, this is hard plastic, it's opaque, and I don't know, it's just really, really smooth. This microphone is completely made out of metal. And I don't know, it just feels pretty solid. It's actually heavy too. I didn't expect it to be this heavy, which is a good thing. The foam cover is just a regular foam cover. I'm gonna try to pop this on. It goes on really easily, as you can see. It's got a bit of space on the bottom and the top, but I think that's normal. You can adjust it, okay. Okay, yeah, it looks pretty good. Next thing we have is this, the dead cat toe. So this is a dead cat. For those of you that don't know, this is basically to reduce ambient noise and wind noise when you're filming something outside. It's got the foam inside, so this actually feels pretty good quality too. Next thing we got, and the last thing we got, is obviously the cable, because you wouldn't be able to use the microphone without the cable. And it looks like we have two cables actually. So let's go ahead and try to untangle these. They are pretty tangled. Okay, I made it. So this, yeah, we have two. I have to check what, okay, I wasn't sure what these were for, but here's a little label that actually says smartphone on it. So I guess this is the cable you use to connect it to the smartphone, and which means that this is the cable you use to connect it to your camera. And yeah, that makes sense. I mean, so putting this aside for a second, here's everything we have. Let's try that cat on just for the sake of the video and to see what it actually looks like, if it goes on well or not. So, okay, it is a pretty tight fit, but yeah, it does go on pretty well. It's pretty okay anyways, it's not like ginormous, it's just pretty big. Okay, so I'd say we take this off for now. It would have been really nice if we actually got two of these foam covers inside of the box, but we didn't, which again is expectable since this microphone is only 13 bucks on Amazon, and that's a great deal, especially if it's working well, which we'll find out now because I'm gonna mount it on top of my camera and we'll see exactly how it works. Let's try that. Okay, now I'm recording with the in-body camera microphone. I did adjust the audio settings on my camera manually for the Neewer microphone, the Neewer CM14. So I don't know how the in-body microphone really sounds with these settings, but I guess we'll find out together. I'll find out when I'm gonna edit this video. You find out right now, because you're listening to it. And yeah, I guess now we'll switch to the external microphone. So good to say that. And we'll see how it actually performs. So, moment of truth. How does this microphone record? Is it okay? Is it really good? Is it really bad? I don't know yet. And yeah, test, test, test. I'm just talking and saying random things. And yeah, the settings are still the ones I had before. As I said, I adjusted them to match the microphone. And it's the same recording distance, it's the same everything. And I really hope it does well, because for 13 bucks, I mean, you can't really go wrong. I wouldn't be mad at this microphone if it didn't record well, because I mean, I only spent 13 bucks, I can't even believe it. But if it actually does work good too, like really good, then it is well worth your buck. And I guess I'm gonna find out and I'm gonna tell you later, but just for the build quality and everything, and the packaging, and the fact that there was nothing damaged and everything worked well, I think that's enough to say that it is worth the buck. It is worth $13. Maybe it's gonna be worth more once I actually hit the recording, but yeah, we'll see. I might insert a clip telling you my opinion on this microphone right now. Heyo, it's Editing Me from the other dimension, and yeah, just wanted to pop in and say that this microphone is actually pretty good. So yeah, I suggest you just go ahead and buy it. I mean, you can't really go wrong, and I'll leave a link in the description below. So yeah, back to the video. So what do I gotta say? That's it for this video, I guess. I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you found it useful. I saw there aren't really a lot of these reviews on this microphone on the internet, so I thought I'd just make one. And yeah, let me know how you think the quality of this microphone sounds, which I don't know yet either. And yeah, see you in the next video, and I'll be very happy if you subscribe my channel, if you like this review, if you like me, if you like my microphone, I guess. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye!